This is the syllabus of linear programming with application using Excel. The main subjects that we have in this class are modeling with linear programming, the simplex and sensitivity analysis, duality and optimal solution, advanced linear programming, integer linear programming. Calculus 1 is required, and this is the textbook that we use in this class. About modeling with linear programming, we have two variables linear model, graphical linear solution, linear programming application, linear programming solution using Excel. The simplex and sensitivity analysis, linear programming model in equation form, the simplex method, artificial solution, special case in simplex method, sensitivity analysis, and there is lab. For the duality and optimal solution, we have primal dual relationships, economic interpretation of duality, additional simplex algorithm, and there is lab. Advanced linear programming with simplex method, bounded variable algorithm, duality, parametric linear programming, and there is lab. Integer linear programming, illustrative applications, integer programming algorithm, traveling salesperson problems, and there is lab.